In this video, I'll show you how to install a DB killer. Before installing a DB killer, ensure that it is compatible with your motorcycle's exhaust pipe. Some exhausts have pre-installed slots for DB killers, while others may need slight modifications. Inspect your exhaust outlet. Most DB killers fit into the end of the exhaust pipe. If your exhaust has a removable baffle, unscrew or loosen it first. Slide the DB killer into the exhaust outlet and align it properly so that it fits snugly inside the pipe. Most DB killers come with a bolt or screw to secure them in place. Use an Allen wrench or screwdriver to tighten it securely. If the DB killer isn't fit tightly, consider using a champ or clamp or heat-resistant adhesive. Start your motorcycle and check the noise level. If the DB killer is loose, tighten the screws further and if necessary, adjust the positioning for best sound reduction. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.